It's here that you'll find Pierre Skerry. He's a telecom engineer by trade, but has spent most of his adult life making an absolutely perfect scale model of the Ferrari 312 PB. He not only had to make every single part himself, but he also had to make and design the mould for every single part.
I wanted to make something like a dream, a Ferrari which we can have in the dining room. It could cost a lot of money to make such a car. For me, it cost maybe 20,000 hours because I had no money. It was my challenge to learn how to make everything in this car. I just took photographs of the real car and I made all my drawings from this photograph.
How long did it take you to do the drawings for it?
3 years. To make the car, 12 years. When I was young, I saw Ferrari in many races, and my dream was to get this sound, this music at home. I could not buy one, I had to make one.
No, it's all right. Music isn't a bad translation. The main reason why this took 15 years to make is that under the body you'll find a scaled-down version of the original engine, which actually works. It makes the Ferrari music.
I made that engine all by myself because I had to make it to get the right sound. I had to make a 12 cylinders engine.
But I mean, that's just unbelievable. So what, you take the piston going up and down?
Yes, it is fuel injected and dry sump. And this is a 100cc flat 12 with 24 valves, because this is a 4-stroke engine.
Hold on, you made, don't tell me you made the valves.
Yes, here is a valve. And the valve springs here. I put 5 gears and reverse also.
You've done reverse?
Yes, reverse, yes. And,
so the gearbox works?
Yes, yes, it works.
Does it drive the wheels?
Yes, yes, sure.
So the car will actually work?
Yes, the car could run if we could find someone to drive it.
Amazingly, he now wants to make another one, a Ferrari P4 perhaps, or maybe a Ford GT40. But this time he wants to use outside help, which means he has to sell the original. It's worth many, many thousands of pounds, but I can conceive of no finer toy.